Ari. Ijor ko pa 100 ijor tsalle. Awa bona no yetsa. Na ke tlo ema surgeons. Tlo ema mana. Yeah. And I'm giving you this 9k, you go down to bulk you 80k is still a good moolah. I don't want to move this around. No, we don't want to close all the position. Bulk operation. Close profitable positions only. We don't close losses here. We don't close losses here. We don't close losses here. How much is it? 85k, 82k. Now we're closing those profitable position. So we closed with 86 profit. There's it there, as you can see, bruh. So making money makes sense. I can tell you now. You know, hence I like scalping, just pop fast. I don't want to get all that chatty, get a lot of music, get all marketing. I'm left with almost 24,000 to do my target. I jump on other side. Now I'm done for the day. You guys can keep on trading, use swingers and whatever. Keep on swinging. I'm out. Like to eat a soul. Like I got zero marketing. Understand? Let's go. So guys, yeah, we made money. Making money makes sense. Oh, price buying. Yes. Shit. I was gonna make 100k, bruh. Shit. But 80k it's cash at the end of the day. So one thing about me, guys, when I want 100k, I want 100k, and if I make less than that, I made like 85k, and I was looking for 100k straight. Bruh, like stay away, man. Like shit, man. I need a sniper, Joe. Like what the fuck? What did I do, man? Fuck, man. Can't say this thing is still gonna buy. As I'm no longer going live trading. Now you guys are giving us anxieties here when we're in trading. Go buying, man. Say, Joe, this was 100k straight. Now I have to deal with 85k. What am I gonna do with 85k? 100 ninja every day. 100. Not very 85 what? Now we have to trade at them. I like pushing ones. Harder, man. Like guys, how can we be trading? I'm telling you my direction. Stop saying sells in a buy, man. I'm helping you here. Motutara sell. But I know that you trade 80,000. That 80k is a lot, bro. Be grateful. It's a lot, but target, man. I'm a man of target. If I put a target, I get a target. I can't be like working for 80k, bro. What is target? See, 85k. Now I'm left with 25k. How am I gonna make the 25k? I have to trade again. Who said I'm gonna win later? It's another thing, man. It's a process. This thing. It's not something that starts today and ends today. Imali ungadlali boss. Oh, it's got 15k. Oh shit, it's 15k. No, 15k I'm gonna make it within 2 minutes. Oh, it's 15k. Yo, mad, bro. 15k. 85k, 15k. Yeah. Now you good. I know you motivated me. I know. 15k is less, guys. You need a 2,000 more. Same time, papa. Yo, but this thing bought, friend. Gents, in my group, they won a lot. Like, this is a good trade for my circle and my group and my everything, bro. This is a good trade, and they know that. One thing about them, they know this is a good trade. Yeah, this is an awesome one. Awesome trade, like, Joe. Let me just give it to them quick. Let me just send it to the Discord now. Let me just say update. Like, we just made like easy cash, man. Easy money. Easy money. Then I don't know which market are you guys trading, bro. Like, here we just making money. Like, you just downloading Moolah. You download every day. Mono kena wa download. Wa kena wa download. Like, la pala kuno download chelete. Banglo beta highest ones. Kablo download wa palams. Euro USD is about to be on profit now. It's about to be on profit. Let's see. Oh, it's on profit. Yeah, Euro USD, it's on profit already. Let's see what's gonna do there. I feel like there's a fair value gap here, so the market might reverse here. But yeah, it's on a profit. I know a lot of strategies. Don't be surprised, gents. Don't be surprised. I know a lot of strategies. So don't be too surprised. Let's see. Okay, what is this today? We're good. Let me transfer the amount to the trading dashboard. I don't wanna trade with the whole amount, you know. Like, it doesn't bring anxiety. It's just that one mistake you fuck up all the accounts. So it's something that I'm not willing to do. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all the amount to the trading platform there, so I don't risk all the capital, man. Imagine coming at home and saying you risked all 100k. Like, damn, nigga, are you mad? But I can pull $1 million, man. I got the news, yo. Guys, don't you think I should go all in on fundamental? Like, okay, the account is 137. So it's actually left with 13k to reach my target, because I entered another trade here. It was like 2,000, so I'm left with 13k. So what do you all think? Do you think we can just go all in? Have you bought USDT? I just closed, bro. I just closed USDT. I was inside and I closed. In the free channel, guys, we send Euro USD. It's in profit now. Dip. It's moving like heck. So you can go check it out on the free channel. You can go check it out on the free channel. I think this fair value gap will be invest. We made money on the Extreme Platinum group. Making money makes sense, man. Making money make sense. It's always a normal. Leave 37k. So should I leave the 37k? Okay, that's a good management. I think I'm taking that one. It's a good one. We can't go all, man. You can't put all your eggs in one basket. You lose it all, bruh, you're gonna sleep, yo. And that's what I did yesterday. Yesterday I took an account to, I think, 17k, bruh. The next thing I was like, shit, let's go all out here. Oh, bro, I lost it all. I won't lie to you. 17k, it's a lot when you lose it, but when you make it, it's small. So you gotta have that ego of saying, when you make it, it's small, but when you lose it, it's a lot. So that you understand that you can't lose more than that. We don't want people that are gonna take the whole year to recover cash here. More trader have one will recover once. And